Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen on Mars. Producing breathable air and rocket fuel on the red planet is a critical step for future human exploration. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, making it unbreathable for humans. We need to convert this abundant resource into oxygen to support life and enable return journeys. This process, known as in situ resource utilization, is vital for reducing mission costs and increasing self-sufficiency. The Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, or MOXIE, is a groundbreaking technology demonstrating oxygen production. MOXIE works by taking in the thin Martian air, which is mostly carbon dioxide. It then heats this gas to an extremely high temperature, around 800 degrees Celsius. Through a process called solid oxide electrolysis, MOXIE separates one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms from the carbon dioxide, releasing pure oxygen. This innovative device has successfully produced oxygen at a rate of 6 grams per hour. Beyond MOXIE, scientists are exploring other promising methods for oxygen production on Mars. One significant approach involves the electrolysis of Martian water ice, which is abundant in certain regions. This process splits water into oxygen and hydrogen, providing both breathable air and rocket fuel. Another innovative idea is using biological systems, such as algae or cyanobacteria, to produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Additionally, some research focuses on chemical reactions with the Martian regolith, or soil, to extract oxygen directly from its mineral compounds. While the prospect of making oxygen on Mars is exciting, several challenges remain. The energy required to power these oxygen production systems is substantial, necessitating robust power sources like nuclear reactors. Martian dust and extreme temperature fluctuations also present significant operational hurdles for equipment. The next step involves scaling up these technologies from experimental demonstrations to systems capable of supporting human outposts. Future missions will focus on continuous, large-scale oxygen generation, paving the way for a sustainable human presence on the red planet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.